Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Majda, and if you're new here, this video will help you know me better. So last week I asked you all on different social media channels to send in your questions that you have for me, and I'm going to be answering them today in this video. I'm so glad all of you asked questions that are relevant and can be useful or helpful for others, apart from some random questions that my friends asked. I've divided the questions that I've got into 5 different categories: travel, writing, photography, work related, and personal. I'm so happy that I did not get any personal question apart from one that my friend has asked just to make fun of it. So I'm going to answer that question just to get back at him. So let's get started and get into the main content. Let's go. One question that almost any travel content creator will get and is getting is, how are we dealing with travel not happening right now? And I think this question applies to anyone who frequently travels and is missing travel a lot. So it was initially very difficult to accept the thing that I will not be able to travel and I will have to stay in one place for God knows how long. So I had to concentrate that impatient energy that I had in me on something else. And that's when extensive writing came into picture. But to get a mini feel of travel, experience, nature, adventure, the things that I did were watch sunset almost every day. Second, I used to go to an under maintained area in my society. उधर मैं insects का, plants का closely observe करती थी and I used to take the pictures. So that helped me get a mini feel of what it was to travel out in nature. But I will not deny that I did not get impatient, restless, or just sad and also jealous of people who have already started traveling. I do feel that at times, and I did feel that at times, but it is what it is, and you have to make the best out of any situation that you are in. So the next question that a lot of you asked was where I'm traveling, when I'm traveling next, and if I'm going to visit so and so place. So I've filtered a few places, but I'm not sure कि वो कब जा पाऊंगी, maybe in another month or two. And regarding international trip, one of you asked if I'm planning or what is my next international trip. I was hoping to visit US this year, but उसकी पॉसिबिलिटी मुझे काफ़ी कम लग रही है. प्लस डोमेस्टिक हो जाए ट्रैवल वही बहुत है इस साल तो. एंड वन ऑफ यू आस्क्ड इफ आई वाज प्लानिंग टू विजिट जयपुर सून. तो जयपुर एंड राजस्थान इन फैक्ट मुझे आई एम वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ राजस्थान. तो जयपुर के लिए मैं एक्सक्यूजेस ढूंढ रही हूँ विजिट करने के. बट I've seen the city so many times, so unless there is some work or some event that I have to be there, उसके बिना तो I don't think कोई reason है. Another one of you asked what is the best place in India. तो भाई best place तो is relative, it really depends on what you like more. I personally like warm weather and a combination of nature, people and culture. तो लास्ट ईयर 2020 में बिफोर कोविड ब्रोक आउट इन इंडिया आई वेंट टू जैसलमेर एंड आई रियली लव द प्लेस एंड आई होप एक बार और दोबारा जा पाऊँ उधर. इट्स अ स्मॉल सिटी विद वेरी वेरी लवली पीपल, सुपर काइंड पीपल. कई बार काइंडनेस भी ज़्यादा हो जाती थी, बट इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल प्लेस एंड डेजर्ट व्यू, desert in the day, desert in the night. It's really amazing. So it pretty much depends on you what kind of place you like more or what kind of experience you like more. जगहें सारी अच्छी होती हैं normally. And a very fun question that someone asked me, do I like to travel during day or night? I personally like to travel when it is not sleep time. I do not enjoy missing my sleep for the sake of going to another place. I'd rather do it between 11 or 10 a.m. to say 8 p.m. rather than do it 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. unless बहुत ज़्यादा necessary है and there are not many options. दिन का टाइम जब जाग रहे होते हैं तब ट्रैवल कर लो, तब जर्नी कंप्लीट कर लो. I like it better that way. photography related similar questions थे कि if you can click good pictures from Android phone and what are the editing techniques if you click pictures from a phone. तो phone से yes of course you can click good pictures but you have to be mindful of a few things. One is keep the camera clean. I think वो तो किसी भी डिवाइस पे अप्लाई होता है बट फ़ोन का हम लोग जनरली नहीं करते हैं, ऐसे पॉकेट में पड़ा रहता है या पर्स में या जहाँ भी, and it gets dirty, so clean it, keep it clean, keep it protected. Second is daylight, natural light. I think it helps a lot. phones में generally इतना अच्छा feature नहीं होता है dark night photography का, तो try to use natural light as much as possible. Third is close-ups. काफ़ी अच्छे आते हैं. Like I personally like close-ups that I take from my phone. Like landscape shots भी they are good, but I थिंक क्लोजअप शॉट्स में जो बोके इफेक्ट आता है या जो डिटेल्स आती हैं ऑब्जेक्ट की वो काफ़ी सही आती हैं. एंड ऑलवेज ट्राई टू मैनुअली फोकस ऑन द सब्जेक्ट. कैमरा खुद से तो कुछ उठाता ही है बट यू नो कि कहाँ पे, सपोज इफ टेकिंग अ फोटो ऑफ अ पर्सन यू नो कि उसकी आंख पे यू हैव टू फोकस. प्लस ट्राई डिफरेंट एंगल्स, एक्सपेरिमेंट अ लॉट विद एंगल्स. कई बार एक एंगल से उतना अच्छा फोटो नहीं आता है जो दूसरे एंगल से आता है, तो एक वो ट्राई ज़रूर करना. एंड येस, डू एडिटिंग बिकॉज मुझे पर्सनली एडिटिंग अच्छा लगता है जनरली बिकॉज आई थिंक इट एनहांसेस द इमेज. आई यूज स्नैपसीड. इट्स अ गुड टूल, easy to learn. You can also use that. You can also use Photoshop if you're good at it. Editing maybe try and experiment a lot till you find your taste ka photo. For writing, I got this question: what advice do I have for someone who is new into writing or who wants to build a portfolio? So I first started writing like putting content online was in 2014. I created 4 posts on Tumblr. तो Tumblr में ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि people are reading it. Yeah, I had a big circle of followers or a community. I was part of a community. I wasn't. बस मैंने online डाला and then I stopped somehow and I resumed it in 2018. Both in 2014 and 2018 I was still working but I was also spent time writing during the weekends. तो अगर आपको portfolio बनाना है, the first step is to start writing. Find a platform that is most convenient for you and try to choose a platform which is free because अभी तुम्हें नहीं पता है how much you will be able to invest in it. You can use Tumblr, Medium, WordPress, Blogger, ऐसे बहुत सारे platforms है. Substack भी एक आया है. So you can use those platforms and start writing. Second is, if you know what niche you want to write in, it's very good. But if you're like me and you don't know, so start writing anything, like whatever motivates you. If you want to write about a travel incident, write it. If you want to write about something that you experienced internally, write about it. Just simply write about it, and by and by, as you keep writing, you will know it better, what you like more or what you enjoy writing about more. And most important thing for a new writer is get your articles reviewed from your friends or family members who would be interested in giving their feedback. And when you send your pieces for review, ask them specific questions like did you find anything interesting or something that was not needed in the article, or something that stood out for you, or the writing style was it easy to understand, was it too long, was it too short. Specific questions help the reviewer critically analyze your work and also for you to understand different aspect of your piece. Okay, I have to work on this aspect of writing of mine, and when suppose I have to send in to a client, I can select topics from the domain that the client is about and send them in. A lot of questions about my work and how and when, what happened when I switched my career field. Why did I leave my job if I could have done what I was doing along with the job? When I was working, I Remember all the 4 years I spent many weekends on looking in different fields, career fields, and see, okay, this will interest me. But I would not know what the thing was actually without trying. तो बिना ट्राई करे तो मेरा पर्सनल मेरे को नहीं सही रहता है. इफ़ आई हैव टू फाइंड माई पैशन और find what I really like to do, I think I needed to give 100%. I could not just do my job and experiment 2 days in a week or 1 day in a week. Plus मुझको कोडिंग में या सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट में इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, नहीं है. तो why would I want to be stuck in a job that I don't enjoy just for the sake of money? No, I'm not that. So yeah, that's the reason I left my job, to explore, experiment fully and give 100% to whatever I chose to do. Second question is related to that. When I told my family कि job छोड़ रही हूँ, how did they react? Were they supportive or how was their reaction? तो जब मैं इंडिया में थी, एक साल जॉब के बाद ही I knew I did not want to do this. तो बट मैं छोड़ नहीं पाई because I was also scared, plus I had influence of others. जब मैं US गई, no one had a lot of control on my decisions or on me, and मैं खुद भी थोड़ा अलूफ हो गई थी सबसे. So I took this decision, I told my managers, and उसके बाद मैंने घर पे आके बताया कि हाँ, ऐसा मैंने कर दिया है. So now there is no influencing me or convincing me. I still remember पापा तो like denial mode में चले गए थे, and he was like कि बेटा जॉब तो नहीं छोड़ी है ना. But yeah, घर पे थोड़ा सीरियस माहौल रहा था for a few days, but दे न्यू इट, दे अंडरस्टूड कि इसको नहीं पसंद है जॉब, तो इसने इवेंचुअली छोड़नी ही थी. दे वर नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड कि मैं छोड़ दूँगी अभी, स्पेशली यूएस जाके. व्हेन आई मूव्ड बैक टू इंडिया, दे सॉ मी वर्किंग एंड दे सॉ मी मेकिंग प्रोग्रेस एवरी डे, एवरी वीक, एंड वी यूज्ड टू सेलिब्रेट एवरी लिटिल सक्सेस दैट आई अचीव्ड. कि अगर मेरा एक कंटेंट कहीं पे एक्सेप्ट हो गया है, या कहीं पब्लिश हो गया है, या एक अच्छा कमेंट आ गया है, या एक क्वेश्चन आ गया कि आई वांट टू नो मोर अबाउट दिस ट्रिप, वी यूज्ड टू सेलिब्रेट एवरी लिटिल सक्सेस. एंड व्हेन माय पेरेंट्स सॉ मी वर्किंग हार्ड एवरी डे, दे एक्सेप्टेड कि मेहनत कर रही है, शी विल रीच वेयर एवर शी वांट्स टू. एंड आई रियली फील लकी एंड रियली फील थैंकफुल कि मेरे पेरेंट्स ने, डिस्पाइट द reservations they had about me leaving the job and trying out stuff, they were supportive throughout. हर एक को ये नहीं मिलता है. So it's a request to all parents and children कि आप थोड़ा उनको समझने की कोशिश कीजिए, थोड़ा वो आपको समझने की कोशिश करें. So you will find a middle ground. एक और क्वेश्चन जो कि मुझे काफ़ी कॉमनली पूछा जाता है कि how am I feeling or how am I managing not earning as much as I used to at Amazon. I know जब तुम independent होते हो, जब जॉब लगता है, जब तुम्हारे पास फर्स्ट सैलरी आता है, it's like another feeling and you like it and I liked it. I loved it and I loved it for a while. तो जब कभी दुखी हो जाना, बाहर जाके शॉपिंग कर लेना, पैसे उड़ा लेना, that was the routine I followed. But with time I was not getting that satisfaction. जो अगर तुम अंदर से सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हो, खुश नहीं हो, तो नो अमाउंट ऑफ मनी विल बी एबल टू गिव यू दैट. एंड पर्सनली लास्ट 2-3 years में मैं इतना चेंज हुई हूँ कि एज लॉन्ग एज आई एम अर्निंग सफिशिएंट फॉर माई सेल्फ, कि मैं अच्छा खा रही हूँ, अच्छे से रह रही हूँ, आई हैव money to invest into the gadgets that I want to have, invest into travels that I want to have, experiences that I want to have, I'm happy. I think that's what gives me peace. Plus, I'm very happy with my work. As long as it is progressing and वो मुझे दिख रहा है, तो I'm happy. Yeah, इसके साथ अब we have come to an end of logical questions. One question that my friend asked is, when am I planning to get married? एंड उसको पता है अभी कोई ऐसा प्लान नहीं है, एंड ही इज ऑल्सो सेम बोट में है. बट ठीक है, जस्ट बिकॉज यू आस्क्ड, आई एम नॉट प्लानिंग टू गेट मैरिड वेरी सून, बिकॉज अभी 2 साल ही हुए हैं मुझे करियर को एंजॉय करते हुए. तो येस, विद दिस द क्वेश्चंस कम टू एन एंड, एंड आई होप यू वर एबल टू गेट सम यूजफुल इंफॉर्मेशन आउट ऑफ इट. एंड If you have any questions related to writing, photography, or traveling, or just going out there, you need a little push to listen to your heart, you can comment in below and I will be more than happy to help you. Shout out for the best question goes to Naveen Verma for his question on photography. Congratulations. And yes, I will see you really soon next week. Until then, bye.